He can't even get out of the house to even go look to see what's going on in the front. The drifts are so high. So he had to get the backpack blower to blow himself a little path so he could walk out there. I looked. It was waist high up against the garage door out the side. See the drifting there on the shed. Oh boy. That blower really blows the snow. Unbelievable how it just blows it out of the way. It's great. It's just there's a lot of snow. Even if we blew ourselves out a spot out of the driveway, I don't think we can go anywhere. The streets are deserted. On the news, that local news is broadcasting extensively. They're not showing Good Morning America. We've got our local channels here showing all the snow and people stuck in situations. Telling people to stay home if you don't have to go anywhere because you'll get stuck. It's a guarantee. They said the local grocery stores are even closed because employees cannot get to work. So it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. February 2nd. The blizzard of 2011. I'm inside. Where I should be. Oh my gosh. Maybe we can get you some still pictures after he blows himself a path. He wants to blow off the top of the hot tub. Yeah, we'll be going in the hot tub. But you don't want all that snow, all the weight of the snow on there. Anyway, we're not out of the woods yet. They're talking until 3 p.m. Blizzard conditions. I'm not sure. I have a doctor's appointment on Friday. Today being Wednesday. Hopefully we'll have enough streets cleared up and clean by Friday morning. I can make it to my doctor. If not, then I'll postpone it. Alrighty. We'll get back to you later.